Welcome back to the boarded up house that was broken in. All the copper and electric wires were robbed out of it. Today, I'm going to show you as close to the final as I can. We actually rented it to a tenant that has been a long-term tenant of my mom and dad's. Let's start the tour. So this is the driveway. We re-gravelled it. Looks like we may need one more load here. We'll let it kind of settle a minute because we just kind of brought it in and spread it. This giant tree was actually right next to the shed, overhanging on the shed. It looked like it was going to die and fall. Also kind of hanging over by the house. So removing it brought a lot of light, but also highlights that we need to paint that door this summer as things get moving on. I didn't show you the backyard here previously, honestly, because there's just so much mess and everything. We got a little bit of cleaned up. We got to come back here. We got to mow this down, get it all ready. The tenant is moving in really soon, though. They're actually in the process of kind of cleaning and hanging a couple things so that they're preparation. But this is a pretty giant backyard. In addition to the rest of the house and everything they have here, this is fairly nice. But this is the front room. You see the tenant already kind of hung up there the American flag over the fireplace, which is pretty nice. But turned out pretty nice. We like this gray. We kind of use the standard gray everywhere we go. Same gray, same white. Obviously, as trends change, we'll change that out. I like the next room has the two-tone. I kind of like that a lot, but we'll progress in there. But this kind of turned out nice. Again, if you remember back to the very first video or the second video where we actually took the boards off the wall, it there's just a lot of natural light here. We're putting in shades, making sure everything's good. The tenant's going to come and she's going to clean heavily on the floors. She's wanted to keep the hardwood floors. We were going to put carpet in the back rooms. Really adamant about keeping the hardwood floors. And she said, I'll clean them. I'll get them spotless. And if they don't come up, maybe you guys can do like an area rug or something like that. So we'll definitely work with her. Long-term tenant, been with us for a while. Rents from my mom and dad a house over there that they're going to be selling just because the property taxes kind of have overinflated the rent there a little bit. I'll definitely probably show you that one. I don't know if I'm going to end up buying it or not. We'll see how that all comes out. This is kind of like a dining room. I do like the two-tone color. I like the darker at the bottom. I think it pops. I really like those new windows. Those windows turned out super good, super nice. It gives the whole floor, whole room a nice pop. So again, this whole house will be cleaned. We'll get all of our stuff out of here, and then we will turn it over to the tenant uh, who has been coming in to kind of clean and get some things moving. But there's that big old tree. Man, that thing is ugly. So yeah, this is that room. Let's walk on to the next room and kind of see how this plays out. Again, making sure all the paint's good. This is kind of our final check before they do the deep clean. Normally we would deep clean and then do the final check. There's a bedroom this way and bathroom, and then this bedroom this way. So we'll come in here. Now, this room, the floor was probably the worst room. We cleaned it a little bit, like a light cleaning. Again, she's gonna clean it heavy. And then the door on the inside, it looks like they missed the white there. So they primed it. Looks like they need to hit with one more coat of paint before we turn it over to her. But it is definitely getting super close. And just a target opportunity because I'm not here with this house. I wanted to make sure that I got a video of it before they move in, and we're not able to show it to you. So this is the final video that I could show before they move in. Walk up here. We'll peek in this bathroom, kind of see what it looks like. The bathroom, the floor definitely needs clean. The tile needs clean. We need to hit that. If that doesn't work, we may have to reglaze or redo something, but it should clean up. I've seen a lot worse, and I've seen amazing things happen from the cleanup, but it does not look too bad at all. I do like this wainscoting around here. I think that's kind of a nice little feature. Kind of helps tie into that dining room in the other room. Definitely need to get some blinds up there. Going to the bathroom with no blinds could be interesting. So get those blinds up. This is that back bedroom, and this is the kitchen. Floor cleaned up super nice. Waiting on the fridge. Fridge was delivered, giant dent. They sent it back. But you've seen this cleaned up super nice. So the house has come a long way. I know a lot of you may be thinking, wow, it seems like you guys rent these houses out fast, or you're always rushed at the end. That's a true statement. We get 2 or 3 calls a week for people looking for a place to live in this town. The cash flow is great, and we don't even have to advertise. We use referrals. Our tenants are our best network. Please don't forget to check out our Facebook page. Follow us over there. Like and subscribe. I'm really close with another house with a banker, and I got a couple other I'm looking at. Stick around. We're going to do great things.